Guess that bird got some work to do now to rebuild it. Oh man, 3 for 3. We like that. Yeah, I like that too. Snake was in the other one. Thank you for the egg. Are you coming or not? Well, you know, not as good as getting a lucky headshot, but it's good nonetheless. Somebody else? Oh. Yeah, for sure, 4 for 4. Come on, hurry up and die. Give me the goodie. Thank you. Okay, well, we got what? 4 more guys to go through. Counting these 2. Ah, fucker, he moved back. Come forward, Pinky. Hey, to the right. Damn it. There we go. Come on, hurry up. Oh, man. Not this guy. Oh, man, come on, die. Wasting time and ammo. And I'm not throwing the flashbang because it's not worth it. Oh, now we backing up into me. Hell, I ain't like that now. Okay, I guess this is the 3rd guy and the 4th. Oh, dang, there's more? I thought there was only 4 more left. Oh man, that was nice. Oh, almost got hit. Your turn. Ooh, flashbang. We likes that. Okay, this is the final guy. Oh, no, the hell he didn't. Eat that. Okay, don't get up. Stay your ass down. Smart ass motherfucker. Here we go. Our long run back to the boat. Let us heal and rearrange. Get everything nice and organized here. Yeah, sniper ammo up there. Everything else at the bottom. I put my shotgun up there, but shotgun ammo up there, but it ain't gonna last long. Got a little plague of guys running everywhere, and it requires shotgun. And plus, they're gonna come out in bigger groups. So, yeah, shotgun ammo's not going to last. Messing with the camera. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, Leon's drunk. I can't control him. Oh. Well, at least Leon will get some kind of rest from this long run. How come I missed this up here? Wasn't nothing in it. Shoot, I guess guess it was a reason for me to pass it. Because there wasn't nothing in it. Okay, you can rest now, Leon. Just ride in the boat. Yeah, I'm gonna need this right here. My flashbang. A little plagger guy. Even though this guy should have been the first. I went forward, but I went backwards because I wanted to grab some goodies. Brakes over. Time to walk. Why does he run faster with a grenade in his hand? I mean, couldn't he run faster with the handgun in his hand? Man, I ain't worried about it. don't see Plaga guy. Oh, there you go. Skip scene. Instant death, which we like. Ooh, he got a lot of money on him. Better stab this guy here. Okay, die. What are you doing? What the fuck, man? Die. Die. Ass. Fucker. What the heck, man? How come he did not die? Ah, I guess I gotta find me a little green herb. I'm gonna check over here. So what's over here? A box? I mean a barrel with a grenade in it. You know what? Forget it. I'm gonna use this gold egg. I'm tired of seeing Leon limping like that. It hurts me so to see him limp. It hurts me so much. I don't like to see Leon hurting like that. Boy, if I did miss one of them shots on them boxes, man, as big as them targets are, man, I should be able to get them all in one hit. I'll take that. Spinula. Guy up there throwing shit. Hold still. Oh yeah, I like that. Second shot kill. That's it. Ain't nothing else. Ah, it sucks. Should have been more up there. Check to my right. Oh, what we got here? We got a glowing thingy. Let's see what it is. You got an amber ring. Why is a ring named Amber? Couldn't have been like Stephanie or Christy, no, Christy ring or Jewel ring or LeSean ring or you know, Amber ring on, you know, Amber ring sucks. That name sucks for it. Should have been called Wonder Woman ring. Yeah, that's a good name. Yeah, I gotta pull this out right quick. I already know what's gonna happen. I already know what to do. I'm gonna run away. But this guy come popping up. I always find that funny. You know, dude just run straight past me. Da-da-da. Shooting guy. Da-da-da. Coming up the ladder, getting shot down. Need more of that, need more headshots like that. Don't get off. It took me 9 shots to kill how many, what? 6, 7 dudes? Wow, I just wasted 9 shots on 9, what? 5, 6 dudes. Because they should have died in one hit, but fuck it. If I know better, I say just take me back to Merchant. Ah, that's some good lemonade. Well, I guess it's as good a time to sell you. Incendiary grenade sucks. I'll take this spinula. Wow, cool. A boat just right there for me to go back to where I need to go. And right here by the save point. I'm going to save. I'll do everything next video.